and honored to have all you here for our grand opening. It's been a journey. We're proud of the facility. We're very proud of our collaboration and partnership with Prime Healthcare and Knapp Medical Center. And we're extremely excited about bringing quality healthcare to this part of the valley. It's especially this outpatient type care where we can keep our citizens here in Weslaco, rather than having to travel long distances to get the care that they need. It's a blessing to be able to share the grand opening with you all today. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to our administrator and the guy I really couldn't have done any part of this without him. I'd also, before I introduce him, I got to say thank you to our partners at Knapp. We wouldn't be here right now if it wasn't for them. That's the God's honest truth. So with that, I want to introduce Mario Garza, our administrator and director of nurses.
Hello, good evening. Welcome. My name is Mario Garza, and as Dr. Rodriguez said, I'm the administrator and director of nurses for Palm Valley Surgery Center. And welcome to Palm Valley Surgery Center. Palm Valley Surgery Center is the only multi-specialty ambulatory surgery center in the Mid-Valley. It's a unique collaboration between healthcare providers for multiple specialties, such as gastroenterology, neurosurgery, orthopedics, ophthalmology, pediatric dentistry, pain management, podiatry, and others, along with Knapp Medical Center, to provide these services to the community. This will allow patients to stay in Weslaco area, and in some cases, will bring patients and their families from other areas into the Weslaco community for services. For those familiar with this project, you know that the road to get here, to get to where we are today, has taken us through some very unexpected turns, and in some cases off of the map completely. And we'll blame COVID for that. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our investor group for trusting in us. I'd also like to thank Dr. Jose Rodriguez for his trust, guidance, and leadership. And I would also like to recognize Rene Lopez and Michael Davis from Knapp Medical Center for their leadership and unwavering commitment to this project and their efforts to open doors for us along the way with the Prime Healthcare team. In the next few weeks, we will begin to build a new history for healthcare in the Mid-Valley that includes Palm Valley Surgery Center. I'd also like to recognize Kathleen Avila, Michael Swartz, Leticia Mann, Paola Lopez, Paul Ramirez, Miguel Rodriguez, and everyone else who helped organize this event. Again, our sincerest thanks for joining us as we celebrate our grand opening. Thank you. I'd like to welcome Rene Lopez, the CEO of Knapp Medical Center.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rene Lopez. I'm the CEO for Knapp Medical Center. Thank you for joining us today in our inauguration of the surgery center at Palm Valley, which is a great partnership between Knapp Medical Center, which is owned by Prime Healthcare, who is actually on behalf of Dr. Reddy, who owns over 45 hospitals within the nation. We were very fortunate that in 2016, Prime Healthcare decided to take over Knapp, and obviously reach out to doctors. And that was one of the opportunities with Dr. Rodriguez 4 years ago, as he decided to consider partnering with us here at Knapp. And like every endeavor, nothing is easy, and definitely not through the last 2-3 years. I'm very grateful for the team that participated in and actually revamping and renewing this facility with the support and cooperation of Mario and obviously Dr. Rodriguez, patiently waiting for this day. So thank you very much for that. It is a very much needed service in addition to our facility that we have another option for our community to be able to take care of. And you will be pleasantly surprised that obviously those doctors not only will be here at your service, but also if you need to be utilized in the hospital as well. We're very grateful for the support, not only from Dr. Rodriguez and Dr. Reddy, but also to my regional VP, Mr. Harsh Abdaya, who unfortunately was not able to be here. So thank you. And without ado, I would like to say thank you to Kathleen and Michael choosing the Miami colors for Dr. Rodriguez, which obviously, if you all don't know, he used to work, play on the, you did not? Nope, sorry, wrong. He definitely knows a lot of stories from the football. So thank you very much for joining us. And now what I will do, introduce our state representative, Mr. Armando Martinez. Thank you.
Wow, what a great honor and a privilege to be here. And good afternoon from your state rep, Armando Martinez from District 39. And welcome to the great city of Weslaco for all of you that aren't here, where the women are strong and the men are pretty. But always is a big privilege and an honor to be here, especially when all roads lead to Weslaco. And when you think about the vision and the hard work and the dedication of not only our city commission, our mayor, and everybody that makes up this community, you see that, you know, such growth. And when you think about retail and you think about restaurants and you think about healthcare, you have to think about Weslaco. Being a firefighter and a paramedic for over 20 years, also a flight medic with Valley Air Care, transported a lot of people here in and out of Knapp Medical Center. And the quality of care is just impeccable, from the surgeons to the staff to our CEO and everybody that's a part of it. Thank you all very much and congratulations. And of course, you know, I'd be remiss if I didn't thank Dr. Rodriguez. You could tell he's such a smart man, because not only did he build something in Weslaco, he opened a center in a district that I represent up in Austin. So congratulations, doctor, and welcome to Weslaco and this wonderful community. With that said, on behalf of the state of Texas and the Texas House of Representatives, I'd like to present an official certificate to the Palm Valley Surgery Center in recognition of this ambulatory surgery center and their grand opening ceremony, signed by your state representative, Armando Martinez of District 39. Yes, sir. And it is my honor that, you know, to introduce the next speaker, who does a wonderful job. He's somebody that's very committed to his community, very committed to Weslaco. Both of us graduated from Weslaco, and we're both born here at Knapp Medical Center. It is my honor to introduce our County Commissioner of Precinct 1, Mr. David Fuentes.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome again to the great city of Weslaco and to Precinct 1 in Hidalgo County. Like Mando said, you know, both of us were born here in this facility back here, and maybe this particular center wouldn't be used for that kind of procedure, but I think it shows the type of investment that we have here personally, because this is where we were born. This is home to us, and we take it very personally when things like this happen inside of our community. Over the last 2 years, I think all of us are very well aware of how important access to medical care is. It's become a priority. When it hits your home, you realize just how desperately you need it. And I know that this fills in a gap. This brings a medical solution and answer to a lot of the people that live here in this community. So it's really important. And I'm glad to see that we have a partnership that created this, because just like when we respond to the pandemic, we came to Knapp Medical and we sat down with them and we partnered with them in the response. We provided them some PPE before it was available to a lot of the people. Anything that we had access to, we were able to share with them. And then they opened up the Knapp facility for us when we started giving out vaccines. That kind of collaboration, that kind of support of each other is an important aspect of how we continue to grow and serve our community in an efficient way and in an effective way. So I'm glad to see that your center has partnered up with Knapp and that you guys are really going to come out here and do something tremendous for our residents and our community. So on behalf of the county, on behalf of Hidalgo County, and specifically Precinct 1, welcome. We wish you all the success in the world and anything that we can do to continue to be a partner with you in this medical care and delivery. Please consider us a partner. Thank you very much.
So I guess I'm the bookends here. I started it and not quite finish it. Again, my gratitude to everybody involved. It's been a great event. Thank you, everybody, for coming. We're very proud of the center, and we're proud to be in Weslaco. With that, I'm going to introduce Barbara Garza from the Chamber, and I'll leave it up to her for the final ceremony here.
Hello, everybody, and good evening. My name is Barbara Garza, and I'm the president and CEO for the Wesco Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're very excited to be here today to support NAP, support Palm Surgery Center. We're very excited to have you here, and we want you to know that as part of the Wesco Area Chamber of Commerce, our red coats and our board members who are here with us today, we are here to support you, and we wish you all the success. I'd like to introduce our board chair to share a few words.
Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Montes, and it is my honor and privilege to serve as the chairman of the board for the Wesco Area Chamber of Commerce. It's also an extreme honor for us to be here today to welcome this fine organization to our community, something that provides a service for our citizens, for our community, and we can never underestimate the value of these organizations, of these clinics, these healthcare facilities that we have in our community. So thank you for the invitation. And at this time, we would like to make a presentation. We have a plaque and a certificate that we'd like to present at this time. And it reads, Wesco Area Chamber of Commerce congratulates Palm Valley Surgery Center on their ribbon cutting ceremony, February 2nd, 2022. And in addition to that, we have a plaque, a member plaque that you can hang proudly in your office.
We sure will.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you. Thank
Dr.
you.
Rodriguez, if we can just look at Anthony real quick for a photo.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And with that, we're going to get ready for our ribbon cutting. Yes. And so we can have our state rep, Mr. Martinez, Mr. Fuentes. Dr. Rodriguez, we'll probably need you back up here again for more photos. So we'll take some photos and then we'll get everybody organized for the ribbon cutting.